You people will not cook in pairs now. You will cook against each other. Thank you.
We're not pairs.
That means if you guys are not with each other, then you are against each other. You guys are going to cook head to head against each other.
I don't think a black box anyways in the universe signifies anything positive because it comes out of plane crashes usually. So it's definitely not a blessing, maybe. But now that they've split us in two and it's not a team, it's sad though that one of us either ways will have to go out.
That was, of course, why didn't we think of it? Unexpected turn as usual. The show just throws things at you like twists you really bad.
It's a face-off with the same set of ingredient and two different dishes.
So, as usual, there was a twist, and this twist was unexpected.
All of us both of us especially, were very stressed initially, thinking, oh, what are we going to do? We've planned this one dish, who's going to be able to do it?
Food blessings are very unpredictable. This might be a blessing. All right, girls, are you ready for the face-off?
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
First, erstwhile pair, and now competitors who get a chance to cook on the two food trucks are Akansha and Megha, because they took the least amount of time coming back after picking the ingredients. You have 3 pairs, and 1 from each pair will coast.
The same pantry that you picked as a team will be available to both of you. All ingredients will be same to both of you. The time will also be the same for both of you. However, do not repeat the same dish.
This ignition task of the week is not an elimination challenge. At the end of the task, 3 of you will be coasting and 3 will fall from the frying pan onto the fire. Have a safe journey.
Thank you, Chef.
Akansha, Megha, we start with you. Your ingredients that you picked will be on the truck. Your time starts now.
I am making cumin ginger chicken, and then I am making pumpkin puree and pea mash, which was my basic idea before also, because that's my recipe. So I don't want to deviate from that. And with that, I am gonna make some wine reduction, which will be like a sauce on top, and I'll incorporate yogurt with hung curd and some rosemary in it.
So I'm making chicken with garlic and coriander and onions. I'm making polenta cake, and I'm going to have some slices of crisp pumpkin and potatoes.
Akansha.
Hello, Chef.
How are you doing?
Good. So far, so good.
Okay, so what's the dish?
I am making a cumin ginger chicken.
Cumin ginger chicken.
Yeah. And then...
Keep an eye there.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna make pumpkin mash, pea puree, and I have hung curd, which I'll infuse rosemary in it, and then I'll just put some dots like for the freshness.
Dollops.
Yeah, dollops of that. And I am making a red wine reduction.
Okay, so pea puree, pumpkin mash, a red wine reduction, hunkered quenelle or a dollop for
Yeah.
freshness.
Yeah.
And chicken.
Yes, and some pumpkin chips for the crisp on top.
If you really want a high point, let that high point be in the yogurt that you're putting as a dollop on top. Let that be the contrast. But up to you. You know, we leave it up to you.
There is one more plan. If I have time, I had polenta with me, so I'm thinking of making a fries with that if I have time.
You know what? Some fresh greens
Yeah.
is as good as fried polenta chips. Polenta chips,
You're burned.
too much work.
Okay.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Megha,
Hi, Megha.
Potatoes
what
for boiling.
are
Yes.
we making?
Okay, so I'm making polenta cakes with dhania and garlic and ginger marinated creamy chicken. And I'm going to make a creamy potato mix and probably some fresh elements with my pumpkin.
Sounds very nice, sounds very subtle. Give it some contrast somewhere. Give it that spike of texture or that spike of taste, right? It's like that high point and harmony.
Definitely.
So I really like your idea, but just a few suggestions. The creamy, don't let it clash. Add that element of tang or spicy. That polenta is adding texture, so make sure the polenta's texture is right. It's going to add a lot to your dish, and I hope both of you are doing different dishes. So yes, fingers crossed, and keep going at it, and you'll do great.
Thank you so much. Jen.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Thank you.
I think both the girls are trying to utilize their time well. Somewhere I feel Akansha is trying to do too much. I mean, pumpkin puree, green pea puree, pumpkin chips, marinated chicken, red wine reduction. Sounds like a lot to achieve.